Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here today. I am part of a hop, and as you see is the list of us. This is the hop for the 10,000 Reasons hop, and so I am in the hop with 29 other women. This is for Rebecca. I'm a mama 24, and she has a YouTube channel here on the YT. And what we're doing is she is reaching her 10,000 subbies. I'm sorry, I'm trying to pull up my email because I want to make sure I say everything correctly and all the rules of the hop. So everybody's going to be posting today, January the 26th by 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. And what we're going to do, we want you to like and subscribe to everybody's channel. And this is an honor and a celebration of her reaching 10,000 subbies. And so if you check her channel out, she has the video to show you all the different giveaways. She's got sponsors as well. My lighting is horrible. Oh my god. Sorry, I don't know what the problem is. Why it's so dark and it doesn't look any better with the light. Anyway, so what you need to do, like I said, the hop begins on Saturday and it's going to close February the 2nd. So a lot of people are giving away goodies. So the rules for the giveaways. The giveaways are open to everyone 18 years of age or older. Must be a subscriber to each, again, to all 30 channels, and you must comment on them, okay? You must have a subscription list set to public so we can verify that. If you get picked and they don't verify that, then you do not get a prize. One entry or comment per hop channel only. One entry only, but it must be on all 30 channels. Qualifying comments must include what country you live in, because some sponsors do not ship internationally, so we need to know that. Follow the hop lineup below. The more you watch and comment, the more interest you earn. So you'll see all the lineup of all the ladies. Now some of the giveaways, you know, I'm just going to read off a couple of them. So, polka doodles, pink and Maine, waffle flower, scrap and stamp, honeybee stamps, CC Designs, Deco Arts, Dazara, Stampendous, Heartfelt Creations, Bone Folder, Scrapbook Nerd. So there's a whole bunch of different ink on 3. Some of these I'm familiar with, some I'm not. Xyron. So there's a lot of different giveaways. So you got to pay attention to her channel and to her rules. So I will be giving away a little goodie as well, but you got to stay to the end. Anyway, so we had, our theme for this was to do something about celebrations. We were open to do anything that we wanted to do about celebrations. And for me, when I thought of celebrations, I thought about, well, January was my my baby girl, my baby, which is also my only daughter, birthday in January, beginning of the month. And then Super Bowl weekend is my oldest son's birthday. So January, you know, they're like 30 days apart, so they're celebrating birthdays. So I thought about birthdays as my form of celebration that I want to think about. So I was just trying to think of some things that were functional that I needed. I thought of something that was just pretty, although there's nothing wrong with pretty, but I was trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I was making up, because I get asked sometimes to make up little cards for people, note cards and tags. So I said, oh, this would be a perfect opportunity to do that. So what I did was I used my Cricut and I went in Design Space and I used the cartridge Celebrations, and I made these 3x3 cards. So all I have to do is make the envelopes, but I made a set in solid and a set in gingham from 6 different colors. And what they are is just little 3x3 cards that you can use, like if you're giving somebody a present, a gift, and has the coordinating tag to go along with it that you can attach to the gift or whatever. They also have the banners and borders, but I didn't make those as well. So I'll just give an example of what they look like. So like this is red. It says, "It's a party." Whoops. And when you open it up, I didn't stamp anything in it, so the recipient can do whatever they want in that. And then the gingham, same thing. So I could either make a set of 6 with the solid colors, or a mixture of the different colors, you know, couple different ways. And so these are the coordinating tags, and I'll give you an example of that. So like that, to go along with these. And so each color has a different celebration sentiment, I guess you say. So that's the red set. And so again, just a little tag to hang onto the gift bag or whatever you want. So that's the red. So the green, again, they're all white on the inside. There's, you know, nothing in the inside, just white. So anyway, I can let them stamp what they want. This says, "It's your day." And again, we got those in the coordinating tags as well. And this is just the little blowhorn that you blow. And again, coordinating tags. This is just birthday cake, you know, silhouette. They had, you know, about 30 different designs, and I don't even know where my gingham one at, somewhere in this table. And then in the pink, we have the candles, and that's them. And the pink. I'm trying to keep the video short because you gotta go through a lot of videos, watch everybody else. And that's the yellow. And that's the yellow. So those can be gift up, and I'm gonna make those pretty and look gift bags, and with the coordinating envelopes as well, and some ribbon and stuff to go along with it. And I also was playing with this spellbinders die, which I had hauled recently. I'm trying to make sure I use a lot of dies and use a lot of my cartridges this year. So I got my list that I'm running. So this is the Happy Birthday easel from Tuesday morning, and the spellbinders number is S4716 that I used. And then I just wanted to make some tabletop with it, you know. So this is like a tabletop version of it, as you can see. You can also use it as a tag pull, and put a piece of paper here and just pull it out as a tag. You can make it as a topper, which is what I did here. I just lined it, and then you can use this as a topper on the gift bag. And here's the extra one. I just glued that together, which I can mat on something else. But you can do a couple different things. I didn't even get a chance to actually decorate it, but you can put some balloons and some flowers on it as well. So that's just something to think about. And the last thing I want to show you, so I'm going to hold you because like I said, you got to get to other channels, is this two-piece layout spread that I did, which I thought turned out really, really cute. And the paper that I used was Otopack DCWV, the birthday wishes stack, and just some coordinating cardstock. And this is the layout. So this comes from the layout celebrations, and this is called Let's Party. And this is a llama from the birthday bash, and it has the presents. And then these swirls came from a punch. The star came from the simple shapes. And this one, no, I'm sorry, Let's Party came from Creative, I think. No, yeah, I think that's the one. And then this banner as well. So that is how that one turned out, and how that one turned out. So they're both 12 by 12 layouts. So again, check out all the ladies in the lineup so that you can enter into the contest and the giveaway as well. So Rebecca will be having that. So check in the show box below. You'll see all the other channels that you need to like and subscribe to, and make a comment. And again, make sure you list which country that you live in. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.
Okay.